Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check the given points will form a right angle triangle. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 3 పాయింట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్తో రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుందా లేదా అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో లెట్ ద 3 పాయింట్స్ బి a comma b comma c. Let a is equal to some 4 comma 4. So b is equal to some 3 comma 5 and c is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. So we have to check these 3 points will form a right angle triangle or not. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to find the length of AB, we have to find the length of BC, we have to find the length of AC. So first we will find the length of AB. By using distance formula we are going to find the length of AB here. So let it be A 4 comma 4, B is 3 comma 5, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So now find out the distance by using distance formula. Distance formula use చేసి distance కనుక్కుందాం. So length of AB, that is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here what is the value of x2 here? x2 is 3 minus x1 is nothing but 4 here square, y2 is 5, y1 is nothing but 4 square. So here 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square, 5 minus 4 1 square, minus 1 square is nothing but 1, again 1 square is nothing but 1. Okay, under root 1 plus 1 is nothing but root 2. Okay, this is the length of AB. Root 2 is the length of AB. Similarly, we are going to find the length of BC. Now take B and C. So B is nothing but 3 comma 5. C is nothing but minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, first point x1 comma y1, second point x2 comma y2. So length of BC. Distance formula is same. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values. So here x2 is nothing but minus 1 minus x1 is nothing but 3 plus y2 is nothing but minus 1, y1 is nothing but 5. So what is their next step? Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square, this is minus 6 whole square. Okay, minus 4 whole square is nothing but 16. So 6 minus 6 whole square is nothing but 36. Minus 4 into minus 4 2 times, minus into minus will be plus, 4 into 4 is 16. Similarly, minus 6 into minus 6 is nothing but plus 36. The addition of these two, 16 plus 36, so this is 2 here, this is 1, 52. So BC length is under root 52. Similarly, we have to find the length of AC. Okay, now take A and C. A is nothing but 4 comma 4. C is nothing but -1 comma -1. First point is x1 comma y1. Second point is x2 comma y2. So length of AC. Okay, the same formula, distance formula we are using. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values here. x2 minus 1. Okay, x1 is nothing but 4 plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 is nothing but 4 square. Minus 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 5 square. Here also same, minus 5 square. So this is 25 plus 25. Minus 5 square is nothing but 25. So I am getting 25 plus 25 is nothing but square root of 50. So third side I am getting square root of 50. So we have calculated length of AB, BC, CA. From this we have to conclude that the given points will form a right angle triangle or not. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి బీసీ సిఏ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయా లేదా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో హౌ టు షో దట్? సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ కండిషన్. The sum of squares of any two sides of a triangle is equal to square of the third side. If this condition is satisfied, the given points will form a right angle triangle. So this condition is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So in this you see, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు ఏ రెండు సైడ్స్ని స్క్వేర్ చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తే థర్డ్ సైడ్కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏబి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏసీ స్క్వేర్. టేక్ దీస్ టూ. ఏబి ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ √2 square. AC is nothing but √50. Okay, square and root gets cancelled. 2 plus 50, that is nothing but 52 I am getting. So here the third side is BC square. So BC square means under root of 52 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled. I am getting 52. So AB square plus AC square, that is equal to BC square. Sum of squares of any two sides of a triangle is equal to square of the third side. Therefore, the given points will form a right angle triangle. Therefore, the given points will form right angle triangle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.